This is Keta. While on a day trip with the party crew, we started with breakfast at the Good Life Hotel, which is located in Ada. They also have rooms available, which cost around 200 Ghana cedis and above. After breakfast, we drove about 2 hours drive from Ada to Keta. We settled at a place called Villa Amo, which is about 2 minutes walk from the beach and which is very close to the Aborigines Beach Resort. Guys, you can't come to the Volta Region and not eat banku. So why are you eating jollof? You eat the jollof is nice, eh? Okay, so he says you go for a second round. So you all are invited. I have here banku and okro. This is how it looks. This is very good. It takes an expert to do this type of okra soup. This is dechi, like local okra soup. It's good. He's having jollof. You're also having jollof.
Yep.
Why are you not eating banku?
I'm not a banku person.
You're not a banku person. Okay. This is room 105. It comes with TV, fridge, and the washroom. This is their executive room. Everyone say hello to the owner of Villa Amo. Hello, Daddy.
Hi.
You have such a beautiful place. I enjoyed your meal.
Thank you.
So why the name Villa Amo?
Yes, Villa Amo because love is everything in this world.
Okay.
If you don't have love, you don't have passion.
Okay.
And we think with love, everything is possible.
Okay.
So we give the name love. Amore is love in the Italian word.
Okay.
And we say village of love.
Okay.
So the name love because we feel we all love each other.
Okay.
And love should be on top of everything we do.
Okay. Are you Ghanaian?
I'm a Ghanaian.
So how long has this place been in existence?
It's about 2 to 3 years now.
Okay. And how many rooms do you have in all?
Oh, I have 10 rooms for now.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So guys, I visited their rooms and their rooms are very, very beautiful. Daddy, so I realized that when people come to Volta Region, they always go to Aborigines. They don't I wouldn't even want to come here because it's somewhere I wouldn't notice. But coming here for the first time has actually given me an eye-opener. Like, this place is really, really beautiful. Your rooms are really, really nice.
Yes.
So is there anything you would like to say to anyone watching this video?
Yes, Keta is a beautiful place. There's a lot of things to explore in Keta.
Okay.
Especially we have a beautiful beach and the people are very nice, very humble, lovely people.
Yeah.
So I will encourage more people to come to Keta.
We also drove around the Keta Lagoon and settled on this place to take few pictures before ending the trip. This is currently the lagoon, Keta Lagoon. You can't come to Keta without visiting the beach, without seeing how beautiful the beach is. So we did a stop at a place called Emancipation Beach. And this is how the beach looks like. This is one of the beautiful beaches I've seen. Goodness, it's so cold. Guys, the atmosphere here. So guys, this trip was organized by Party Q, and this is the COO of Party Q. So she's going to tell us a bit about Party Q.
Okay, Party Q, we've been in existence since 2013. We are into domestic tours, and now we are adding some parts of Africa, Rwanda, Kenya, and Sao Tome. So for Ghana, wherever you want to tour, just contact us. When you tour with us, it's not just taking you to the website, the tour site. we make it fun. We party with you. That's how our name goes. It's party crew. So we party with you. We do
guys,
jama with you.
I've had fun.
We do so much for you. So you come. Let's pamper you. Let's treat you. Let's help you to enjoy Ghana and what we have. So yeah, follow us on Instagram, catch us on Instagram and on Facebook, the Party Crew GH.
So far, I've had fun from the bus. They gave us sopolo, plantain chips, local snacks. And like even before you get there, you're like already energized for the trip. And then we got there, we had brunch, we had lunch, we had
and the jama. Talk about the jama.
The jama. Do you know what jama is? They don't know what jama is. Tell them. Jama is like singing, happy, drumming, like dancing,
having fun.
Yes.
Yeah. So just follow us. Check us on Instagram or Facebook, Party Crew GH.
Yes, sure.
And then you'll get to know much about our trips, and then you can join us.
Yes. And it's very affordable.
Yes, and it's affordable, and you'll be happy you did.
Yeah.
All right then.
So yeah, guys, you heard from herself, Party Crew. It was really and indeed a party experience I had, and we just ended at the beach in Keta, and it's time to go. I really don't want to go because Keta is home for me because I'm from here, and the beaches alone are like reason for me to keep coming here and all that. So yeah, until another time on my YouTube channel, you know how we always do it. This particular trip was fully sponsored by the Party Crew GH, and so yeah, follow them. I'll share their details in the description box. Until next time on my YouTube channel, I love you. You know you're my favorite person. Mwah, 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 mwah.